Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irsyad AH from Gaza. Now I want to tell you about how to make salty egg. We need 3 duck egg or 3 chicken egg, 10 spoonful for salt, some red chili, 5 cloves of garlic, a glass or plastic jar and water. How to make salty egg? First dissolve the salt in the jar with enough boiling water to cover the egg completely. Second, add chilies, garlic, which have been roughly covered. Third, put the chicken or duck eggs that have been washed clean. Fourth, close the jar of 7 to 10 days. Don't open it. Make sure not breaking or leaking eggs because they will be rotten. Last harvest on day 7 to 10 and boil it, ready to be served. The taste is really delicious. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.